Welcome. In front of me is a Oppo Find X3 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So with that being said, this process will also remove screen locks. So if you have one set that you just don't know, it will get rid of it, though I don't have one set, so I'm gonna quickly set one up. If I can find it, there we go. I think it's right here. There we go. So now I have my screen lock set up. So there we go. Now, assuming I don't know this screen lock, even though I set it up, I'm gonna progress with this process from the lock screen. So number one, we will need to turn off our device by holding the power button and swiping down to power it off. Once the device turns off, hold your power button and volume down, if I remember correctly. Gonna let go of the power button once the Oppo logo is visible on the display. Once you see the language selection, you can let go of the power button and then tap on your desired language. For me it's English, and select Format Data. This will generate a random code right here, so for me it is 4261. All you need to do is just type it in on the keypad. There we go. Once you type it in, it automatically gives you this pop-up, format data. All user data will be reset. Format. This will now erase all the data. Gives you the pop-up, data formatted. So we're going to click on OK. It will automatically reboot the device and continue the factory reset of it in the background. Now because of this, the device will be turning on for a little bit longer than you might be used to. So don't worry, that's completely normal. Once that is finished, we'll then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, it's now finished. So you can set up your device however you want from here. Now, with that being said, if your device was also signed in into a Google account, this will now mean that your device is FRP locked. And I'm mentioning this because this, without providing the screen lock or Google account, will force you to verify one of these two things. And if you can't, then you can't really use your device. But that being said, I did record already a video on how you can bypass this and then completely remove it altogether from your device and fully unlock the device without providing either one of those things. So if you're interested in such a video, just search for it. I did already record it, so yeah, shameless plug. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.